Hi guys! Good morning! Buongiorno! So, today is the start of my birthday trip. Actually, 2 days lang siya. Hindi ko alam bakit may pa-start pa ako sinasabi dito. Anyway, so currently nandito ako sa Forli and hinihintay ko yung bus ko papunta sa station. Ayan na yung bus natin! Yes! Hi guys! So right now, nandito tayo sa Bologna Station. We're now waiting for our next train going to Bolzano. And then after that, 2 more trains papunta sa ating first birthday destination. The train is arriving soon, so can't wait. This is my first time I'll be going to the city of Bolzano. So, see you in a while. Hi guys, so we have arrived here in the city of Bolzano. So just to share with you guys, it is my first time to set foot here in the Italian region of Trentino, Alto Adige. So yay! A new achievement for me. But first of all, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung view here. Like, ang ganda! Oh my god! And nasa station pa lang tayo Yung next train ko will be at 1 PM. Later on, malapit-lapit na tayo, mga 2 hours more, makakarating na tayo sa ating first of 3 birthday destinations. For now, let's enjoy here in Bolzano. Okay guys, so ayan, kabababa ko lang ng tren. So right now, we only have to take a 30-minute bus ride papunta sa ating first destination, which is Lago di Braies. So, I've been dreaming about this place for quite a while now. Anyway, one thing I noticed was I'm almost at the border of Italy and Austria. Pero seeing the place, it doesn't feel like nasa Italy pa rin ako. Para na ako nasa Austria. Kakaiba talaga yung style ng mga bahay, even yung mga road signs. Halos lahat in German. May mga Italian pa rin, of course. Even nung nasa train ako, almost all of them are speaking German. So, grabe. Ang amazing talaga ng bansang to in many levels. Finally, we have arrived here in our first destination. So we're now here in Lago di Braies, but look at that wonderful view. Sobrang, I mean, it's so beautiful in photos, but I wasn't expecting it to be this freaking beautiful. I cannot stop staring at it. Oh my god. And I haven't seen the actual lake yet, so I'm walking towards it right now. So here we go. I'm so excited. So hi guys, ngayon nandito na tayo sa Lago di Braies. So right now, pinag-aaralan ko paano magsagwan. Kasi look at that wonderful view behind me. Grabe. If you only knew, guys, kung gaano ko katagal pinangarap ko. As in, like, I think last year pa yata. Last year ko pa gusto magpunta dito. Grabe. As in, I am living my dream right now, and I'm really so thankful that I made it here. And for this one, I have to pay 50 euros by the way. Pero at least private boat lang siya. And since medyo kapos ko sa oras, hindi ko rin naman afford mag-type. So ayun, diba? Right now, I'm here. Like, OMG. like. Ang ganda ulit ng view. Wow. Guys, so ayan, pabalik na tayo ng ating bus stop dahil pag naiwan tayo ng bus na to, matatrap tayo dito. But anyway, I had fun. Sayang nung pabalik though, hindi ako nakapag-picture kasi nagmamadali ako bumalik. Girl, ang hirap magsagwan pabalik. Like, lumabas ang aking non-existent dragon boating skills. Charot! Ayan. Anyway, more chika later. But for now, tatakbo muna ako ha.